Think you've seen it all? Think again. Today, I'll show you 25 underrated websites that can transform you from an average tech enthusiast into a professional hacker. Most think hacking is just about using Kali Linux, Metasploit, or fancy scripts. But real pros know knowledge is their greatest weapon. These hidden gems will give you access to tools and resources many so-called hackers don't know about. Buckle up, because once you know these websites, your approach to cybersecurity will change forever. First up, we're starting with something a little different. Darknet Diaries is a podcast, like listening in on secret conversations of the hacking world. Each episode dives into real hacking stories, social engineering, and security breaches. You'll hear from hackers, victims, and security researchers on the front lines. Learning from real incidents sharpens your skills. You see patterns, vulnerabilities, and strategies hackers use. You'll be hooked from the first episode. Let's talk about VirusTotal, the ultimate malware scanning platform for dissecting suspicious files and URLs. It's a digital forensics lab, analyzing files with over 70 antivirus engines. For cybersecurity, VirusTotal is a must-have. Let's dive into advanced malware analysis with hybrid analysis. This platform elevates malware hunting. It breaks down malware behavior in a safe, sandboxed environment. For malware research enthusiasts, hybrid analysis is your playground. Earlscan.io-unmasking malicious websites. This website is your digital bodyguard, scanning any URL for threats before you click. It's like having X-ray vision for the web, revealing hidden dangers beneath the surface. Censys, the data-driven cybersecurity powerhouse. Imagine a search engine that indexes not just websites, but entire devices and networks. With Censys, you can uncover exposed servers, vulnerable systems, and devices with security flaws. It's a powerful tool for understanding an organization's attack surface. For serious cybersecurity research, Censys is your go-to platform. Shodan, the world's most dangerous search engine. Shodan lets you search for internet-connected devices, but not like Google. Instead of websites, Shodan shows industrial control systems, traffic lights, security cameras, even refrigerators. You can find devices with default passwords, open databases, and security holes. It's a stark reminder that everything connected to the internet is a target. Have I been PBU'd? Your data breach lifeline. This website is your personal data breach watchdog, allowing you to check if your email or phone number has been leaked. Just enter your information, and the website will scan its massive database of leaked records. It's a simple but essential tool for anyone concerned about online privacy and security. ThreatCrowd, your cyber threat intelligence hub. A giant library of online threat information for domains, IP addresses, emails, and more. Aggregates data from various sources for a comprehensive threat view. For serious cyber threat analysis, ThreatCrowd is invaluable. NoPaste, your secure text sharing haven. Sharing sensitive information securely is paramount in ethical hacking and cybersecurity. NoPaste provides a secure and ephemeral way to share text. Paste your content, set an expiration time, and password protect it. It's like a self-destructing message for your sensitive data. CyberChef, the Swiss Army knife of cybersecurity. A playground for anyone who loves working with data. It offers a user-friendly interface with a vast library of operations for converting, encoding, decoding, and analyzing data. Decrypt messages, deobfuscate code, extract metadata, and more. A must-have tool for data analysis, forensics, or cryptography. SeekLists, your word list wonderland. This website is a treasure trove of word lists, usernames, passwords, payloads, and other valuable data for various security assessments. It's a constantly evolving repository maintained by the dedicated security community. Zero-Day Initiative. Staying ahead of the vulnerability curve, the Zero-Day Initiative, or ZDI, is a platform where researchers disclose vulnerabilities to software vendors. The ZDI works with vendors to patch vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. By monitoring the ZDI website, you can stay ahead and learn about the latest threats. PacketStorm Security is a massive repository of exploits, tools, advisories, and news related to security vulnerabilities. Stay up to date on the latest exploits, learn new attack techniques, and download tools for testing your systems. Remember, the information on PacketStorm Security can be dangerous in the wrong hands. Use it responsibly and ethically. Want to see what a real-world cyber attack looks like under the hood? Then, Malware Traffic Analysis is the website for you. This site provides access to real-world network traffic captured during various cyber attacks. It's an invaluable resource for anyone interested in network security, incident response, or malware analysis. To defeat your enemy, you must know your enemy. MITRE ATT and CK helps you understand attackers' methods, goals, and defenses. OWASP, the guardian of web application security. The OWASP website is a treasure trove of information, including the OWASP Top 10, a list of the most critical web application security risks. Whether you're a developer, security tester, or just someone who cares about web security, OWASP is an essential resource. Kali Tools. Documentation. Mastering the Hacker's Toolkit. Kali Linux is the go-to OS for ethical hackers and penetration testers. It provides in-depth documentation for every tool in the Kali Linux distribution. Whether you're seasoned or new, it's an invaluable resource for mastering your toolkit. VulnHub, your ethical hacking playground. This site offers vulnerable virtual machines to download and run on your computer. It's like having a personal hacking lab to experiment, learn, and hone your skills. Google is more than just a search engine. It's a powerful tool for reconnaissance, information gathering, and vulnerability discovery. The Google Hacking Database, or GHDB, unlocks the hidden potential of Google search operators. It reminds us that powerful hacking tools are often the ones we use every day. CyberSec Labs offers realistic penetration testing labs simulating real-world environments and attack scenarios. You'll face challenges requiring technical skills and critical thinking. Test your mettle against tough scenarios and see how you compare to other ethical hackers. TryHackMe is the perfect place to begin your journey. This website offers a gamified and beginner-friendly approach to learning ethical hacking and cybersecurity concepts. It's like having a personal tutor guiding you through the fascinating world of hacking. Pentester Lab is designed for those serious about mastering penetration testing. It offers a unique approach to learning by doing, with a focus on practical skills and real-world scenarios. You'll find challenging exercises and labs covering various aspects of penetration testing. It's a demanding but rewarding experience that pushes your skills to the limit, ready to test your hacking skills against the best in the world. Enter the world of Capture the Flag, or CTF competitions. CTF Time is your guide to competitive hacking, listing upcoming CTFs, rankings, and resources. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a CTF newbie, CTF Time is the place to be. Considered the ultimate proving ground for ethical hackers, Hack the Box is not for the faint of heart. This site offers a collection of vulnerable machines to hack into. You're thrown into the deep end to figure things out on your own. It's challenging, but rewarding, pushing your skills to the limit and earning you respect. The exploit database is a vast repository of exploits, proof-of-concept code, and security advisories. Stay up to date on the latest vulnerabilities, learn new attack techniques, and find specific software or system exploits. Use it responsibly and ethically. There you have it. 25 underrated hacking websites to take you from beginner to elite. Start exploring these sites today. The world of ethical hacking is vast and evolving. Go out there and start learning. The world of ethical hacking is waiting for you.